Yo, 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 it's your boy Tommy-boi signing back in. And as always, you rock. Yeah, you watching this video, you rock. I think we have a baby cicada here. Hello. Hello, buddy. Hello. I didn't expect you there. You spooked me. That's definitely a cicada, though. I guess they're starting to emerge from their slumber. Hello. I'll boop you. Boop. Oh. Oh, he's now angry. I booped him. Boop. What? What, you poor little dude? Get off my jacket, please. Are you gonna bite? Probably won't. It won't bite. There. Was it that harmful? Look at the little dude. Aww. It's a baby cicada. It doesn't bite. It's a little baby one. I think this is the first ever baby cicada I've seen. Hello. It only can crawl. It's in like a kind of a larval stage, I think. I mean, it doesn't have wings yet. It doesn't make those noise. Oh, can't wait till these things make the noise. It peed! It leaked. Oh, poor little dude. I didn't squeeze you. He leaked, though. See? He leaked. Oh. Wanna crawl on me? Hey. Oh, it's mad. It's raising its butt. What are you doing? Are you peeing? What are you doing? What? Me? How about you come here and you go on the ground? Or, you flipped over, dude. There. Alright. Please like, share, and subscribe for more cicadas, apparently. And as always, it's your boy Tommy-boi signing out. Peace, peeps. Watch the little dude. He's gonna say bye. See? He's saying bye.